What if an AI agent could analyze defects, test execution results, security findings, and performance reports, and decide whether your next software release should go live? I built exactly that. Then I compared its recommendations with those of an experienced release manager. The outcome surprised me. That's what AIQE Academy is all about. Instead of learning AI through isolated concepts, we'll solve real enterprise quality engineering challenges using AI, agentic AI, and modern enterprise architectures. Hi, I'm Anthony Prabhu. With over 20 years of experience in quality engineering and enterprise delivery, worked with some of leading organizations such as Accenture, Polaris, and Qualitest. I'll show you how to build practical AI solutions that engineering leaders, architects, and QA professionals can apply in the real world. Welcome to AIQE Academy. Before we build an AI solution, let's first understand the real problem. Every software release depends on one critical decision: go or no go. I am John, the release manager for the project. To make go or no go release decision, I need to analyze Jira defects, test execution results, security findings, performance reports, and even historical release data. The challenge is that all this information comes from different systems. I need to manually correlate the findings, assess the risks, and rely heavily on personal experience before making the final release decision. It's a process that's time-consuming, difficult to scale, and prone to human oversight. So the question came to my mind: can an AI agent perform this analysis? And can it assist or even act as a release manager? That's the time I got introduced to Mr. Prabhu. So, how do we solve this challenge? We're building an AI powered release manager agent using the Agno Framework, powered by an LLM, persistent memory, and enterprise release data. Agno is an open source AI agent framework designed to build intelligent, stateful, and production ready AI agents. It simplifies the development of agents that can reason, use tools, access enterprise knowledge, retain memory, and collaborate with other agents to solve complex business problems. The framework supports persistent memory to remember previous conversations and decisions. The framework also supports tool integration with APIs, databases, files, SQL, and external services. Now let's look at how our AI-powered release manager agent works. It all starts with a user asking a release-related question such as, "Is release 5.2 ready for production?" The request is received by the Agno agent, which acts as the intelligent orchestrator for the entire solution. To answer the question, the agent combines three key capabilities. First, it uses an LLM to understand the user's request, reason over the available information, and generate an intelligent response. Second, it uses persistent memory through SQLite. This allows the agent to remember previous conversations, historical release decisions, and important context instead of starting from scratch every time. This concept is known as agent memory, and it's the key idea demonstrated in this case study. Third, the agent accesses enterprise release data, including Jira defects, test execution results, lessons learned, historical releases, and release metrics. By combining reasoning, memory, and enterprise knowledge, the agent produces an explainable go or no-go recommendation along with the risk assessment, release summary, and suggested next steps. This is why AI agents are becoming valuable digital teammates. They don't just answer questions, they reason, remember, and make context-aware recommendations. Finally, the response. But the real hero of this case study isn't just the LLM, it's agent memory. Unlike a traditional script that starts from scratch every time, this AI agent remembers previous conversations, historical release decisions, and important release context. That means every recommendation becomes more informed, more consistent, and better aligned with past decisions. Here are some of the sample questions which we can ask to the release manager agent. Is release 5.2 ready for production? Can you assess the release risk for the current release? What are the major blockers for this release? So why should QE leaders care about agent memory? Persistent memory transforms an AI agent from a one time assistant into an organizational knowledge asset. Instead of forgetting everything after each interaction, the agent remembers previous release discussions, learns from historical go or no go decisions, and retains valuable release context across multiple release cycles. That means every release makes the agent smarter and its recommendations more consistent. For quality engineering leaders, the benefits go far beyond automation. It enables faster release decisions, better risk assessment, preserves organizational knowledge, and supports data driven governance. Most importantly, AI agents are rapidly becoming digital teammates. This is exactly the transformation we're moving toward, from testing software to designing intelligent systems. You'll find the GitHub repository, complete source code, architecture diagrams, datasets, and presentation PDF in the video description below. If you're passionate about enterprise AI and the future of quality engineering, subscribe to AIQE Academy. Every week, we'll explore real world AI case studies, production ready code, practical architectures, and lessons learned from building intelligent enterprise solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in case study number 2. Thank you, bye bye. Take care.